green spaces are the lungs of cities, improving air quality, managing flooding and rainwater, and contributing to the physical and mental health of the citizens. As urbanization continues, it is vital to monitor the proportion between grey and green areas. How green are the cities of the world, really? Do they get greener? We wanted to find out. Husqvarna presents HUGSI, Husqvarna Urban Green Space Index, an AI-powered satellite solution to help decision makers monitor the proportion and health of green spaces in cities across the globe. The HUGSI Index provide green insights covering 98 cities in 51 countries, rated on a number of green key performance indicators, KPIs. The KPIs measure vegetation data, such as overall greenness of the city, trees versus grass, distribution of green, health of vegetation, and green areas per capita. To allow for seasonal changes, each city is measured on individual dates based on each city's prime vegetation day during the year. HUGSI aimed to draw attention to the importance of green spaces and to empower decision makers to safeguard the green areas in cities. With the data provided by the index, cities can benchmark their KPIs with leading cities in the world. How green is your city? Find out at hugsi.green.